Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones with Zotac Gaming handheld. To do this, first we can click on the Start right here, navigate to the settings, then open Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure that your Bluetooth is activated. Then you can move on to your headphones. Make sure to enter pairing mode. You can do it by just clicking on the power button in this case and holding it for a few seconds. Now we're in the pairing mode. We can click on Add Device, Bluetooth, and here wait for your headphones to be visible. Now click on them, and we successfully connected our headphones with the Zotac Gaming handheld. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.